what to sell on Amazon, and product research, one of the most requested topics on the channel, at least on this channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna attack this question and this idea of what product to sell on Amazon from a completely different angle. And I'm gonna talk about leveraging keyword research to find out what products to sell on Amazon. Are you with me? Let's get going. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon partner and we work with sellers on Amazon, UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Scan the QR code, click the link in the description box of this video, or simply go to our website www.assmiddleeast.org if you need help with launching products on Amazon or even assistance with finding products to sell on Amazon. Now, like I said, I'm going to be attacking the subject from a completely different angle, and I'm going to focus on leveraging keyword research in order to find out products for product research. But before I do so, let's talk a little bit of a background and some important information about how the market here in the UAE actually operates. This, my friends, is going to be very valuable information that you're not going to find anywhere else. So make sure that you just subscribe to the channel, leave me a thumbs up, leave me your comments in the comments section below, and let's get going. Number one, the untapped potential of Amazon UAE and also KSA. The reason why I love this marketplace so much is simply because it's rapidly growing. The UAE e-commerce was valued at 11 billion in 2024 with an annual growth rate of anywhere between 8 to 10%. Not bad, if I may say so myself. Additionally, digital savvy customers or consumers, with 63% of UAE consumers preferring to shop online, especially for things like electronics, beauty, as well as home essentials. Are you selling any of those products online? Moving on, and probably one of the reasons why so many US-based brands and European brands are coming into the UAE market, high purchasing power. You guessed it. UAE consumers, even though there's not a lot of them, have a lot of disposable income and simply love convenience, don't you? And last but certainly not least, an unsaturated market, with Amazon UAE/KSA being relatively less competitive than marketplaces like the US, UK, or India. So it's certainly easier to launch in the Middle East marketplaces than to sell as a new seller on the US, UK, or Indian marketplaces, or even Germany. Number two, let's talk a little bit and let's understand a little bit the UAE market. Number one, cultural preferences. Yes, UAE consumers value premium quality, who wouldn't, while living in a country like the UAE, sustainability, and there's a very big gifting culture. What about prices? So they do have disposable income, but does that mean that they're just throwing away money online? Well, not really. There is price sensitivity, however, most consumers tend to go for the middle-priced or mid-range segments of products. But they do trust in brands a lot, and they trust in reviews a lot, and also Arabic-friendly listings do tend to perform better. So make sure you take notes and you follow my details and my information that I'm providing you in this lovely video. By the way, have you subscribed? And now, back to our main topic of the video, mastering keyword research. Keyword research is only one way that you can utilize to find products to sell on Amazon. To do keyword research, you can utilize Amazon's built-in keyword research tools, such as Amazon Brand Analytics, only open to those that are brand registered. Worry not if you're not brand registered, because I'm going to show you how to utilize Amazon's autocomplete. After that, you can also utilize external keyword research tools. I talk a lot about Helium 10 on the channel, and Amazon Sellers Society is partnered with Helium 10. We love the tool, and if you want a discount, you'll find a discount code linked in the description box of this video. And then you need to identify profitable keywords in order to use those keywords and basically sell products on Amazon. Let's jump on Amazon and let me show you exactly how this works. Step number 1, log into Amazon and search for something. In this case, I'm searching for the product egg cooker. Is this the right keyword? I'm not really sure. So let me show you how Amazon autocomplete works. So I'm just writing the first word, which is egg, and then we've got eggs, egg large 30. I'm not looking for actual eggs. The fourth most used keyword on Amazon, because this is Amazon autocomplete, which shows you exactly the most used keywords. The fourth most used keywords is egg boiler. So people don't call it egg cooker, they do, but most people actually use egg boiler. Eggplant, well, that's a different type of egg. Eggs organic, back to eggs, and then egg cooker, egg large 15, egg large 30. So egg boiler would be a better performing keyword than egg cooker for people searching for this type of product, which I was actually searching for on Amazon. So that's great. Now we know egg boiler, but what about the actual numbers and how can we quantify how many people are actually searching for this product and can this product be profitable? Let's move on to Helium 10. Now I'm inside Helium 10. I'm gonna go directly to a tool called Magnet. I'm gonna select the marketplace, and in this case it's gonna be Amazon UAE, and I'm gonna choose egg boiler, right? Let's click on get keywords. And now what Helium 10 is gonna do, and this particular tool, it's just gonna look at the keyword that I added, and it's gonna look at all the other keywords, including Arabic keywords, to see what is the best performing keyword. Is it the egg boiler or is it something else? Best performing in terms of what? Best performing in terms of search. The higher the search volume, the higher the demand for the product. Interesting. Egg boiler has a search volume of 1,634. On average, I want to have anywhere between 300 and 500 searches. So 1,364 is very good. I can also click on this to see the search volume history. As you can see, this is certainly not a seasonal product. It is almost in demand all the time, with a lot of demand in September. Possibly, maybe because it's back to school season? Who knows? Or maybe people tend to consume less eggs during the hot summer months. Now, I can also click on search volume to get the highest to lowest. And now look at keywords that are very similar to egg boiler and might have even higher demand or search volume. Now, kitchen appliances is a very broad keyword. It might mean so many different things, but it does have a search volume of 2,565, not bad. Eggs, lots of searches. Egg large, people seem to want large eggs. Egg boiler, we just saw it, it's the main keyword that we used. What about egg cooker? Let's switch. Okay, so as you can see, there's a huge difference between egg cooker and egg boiler. Egg cooker has only 179 searches, where egg boiler has 1,634. So now with the utilization of Helium 10, I have two data points that are very important for me. One, I know that there's a lot of demand for an egg boiler, so this is potentially a good product for me to sell. And two, I know that one keyword is much better than the other, and there's a huge difference, so I know which keyword to focus on. Mastering product research using keyword research. The last part would be to validate and understand what the costs are attributed to selling this product. If you want to know more and if you want a part 2 for this video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll certainly show you how to understand what the performance of a product will be on Amazon and what would be the potential costs of selling something on Amazon. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.